Hey everyone, I'm Wagga Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome back to my channel. If you've stopped by because you love seeing what people pick up in Boxycharm pop-up sales, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, I'm Wagga Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. If anyone is new, I am 55 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. Today I have not one, but two add-on hauls. They were made on the same day, but arrived 2 weeks apart. That's Boxycharm for you. Anyways, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and share with you all what I purchased, even though I'm on a low buy. Yep, leave a comment. Let me know. But honestly, had I not been on a low buy, I would have bought a lot more. So for me, I done did good. There were just too many really good deals to pass up. All right, enough rambling. Let me dive in and open the first box. They sure did tape it up good. Let me know, did any of you partake in the last month, I think, what do they call it now? The Drop Shop? And did you do like I did, where you made a purchase and then later they just spam you with those emails, don't they? And then they're like, oh, but don't forget, we got this and this. And you're just like, wait, did I look? Did I thoroughly look? Then you go back for seconds and you're like, oh, well, I want that too. Anyone? Just me? All right. What I find interesting, and why is this box taking 50 years to cut through? Good Lord. What was I saying? Oh, does anyone else do multiple purchases on the same day, yet the boxes arrive not like a day or two apart? I'm talking weeks apart. So crazy. Okay, yes, I'm super excited. So the first box was actually random. The first order I placed, it was only 2 items. So I did really good with my low buy until I got suckered in from an email. But I'm super excited. Look what I picked up. This is from Huda Beauty, and it is the Mercury Retrograde palette. And all of you are like, yeah, so what? Been there, done that. I have just been getting into Huda products, the more bougier that I call them, in the past year. So for me, this is a new palette. I'm super excited because I know it's super popular. Can we just talk about this packaging for a second? It's like holographic, super pretty. Yes, so let's see. Firsthand, the color story. Yep. It's everything everyone talks about. Look how beautiful. Look how pastel-y, soft, and a little, not gonna lie, a little bit outside my comfort zone, but not by much. There are, oh my god, these shimmers, I have to swatch. I just have to. This video is gonna be really long because I'm swatching, but how can you look at this and not swatch? All right, so of course I went straight for all the shimmers. So there we have some like purpley blues. This palette, I think, will help me do that blue look you all have been asking me to do. By the way, I want to say that this palette retails for like $65. And I want to say I either picked it up for 12 or 18. Probably 18. But yes, how could someone pass that up? And then the second item I did in my first purchase is this palette here from OFRA. You may or may not know, but I love OFRA. This here is the On the Glow palette, which if you've never tried a highlighter from OFRA, I highly recommend. So look at this palette here. We have some highlighters, some contour, bronzing, blush. Just, you could use them as eyeshadows. And this palette retails for $149. Yeah, you can still get it on OFRA's website for that price. I picked it up for $18. $18! I just couldn't. How could you see something as beautiful as that from OFRA that retails for $149 that only costs $18 and not grab it? That's part of the oath of being a good shopper and makeup enthusiast. You cannot turn down a really good deal. Here are just 3 of the highlighters swatched. One of them is Rodeo Drive. I don't know which one. If you watched my OFRA mystery box video, thank you. I received the Rodeo Drive and I knew it was in this palette, therefore I didn't swatch it. All right, on to box number 2. Okay, box number 2. The first item is this brush set from LARUCE. If you follow me, you know my feelings on LARUCE. But this was such a good price. And it's the blue brushes, not the black ones, which I tend to like better. It comes in this, oh, there we go. I was having a little struggle there. I like their brushes that are white tipped and have the dark blue. For some reason better than the black bristled ones. Don't ask me why. I just do. Do I need more brushes? No. Am I a sucker for a really good deal and good brushes? You bet. These are super soft. And I want to say the MSRP for this was like 99. I don't know. It was up there. 80 bucks. And I think I got this for like 12. It was in my cart. I took it out, put it back in. I was on the fence and I'm weak. What can I say? I'm weak. All right, next item. Oh, interesting. I'm like, what is this? Why in a little bag? Okay, so this here is a lip gloss pencil. I know, interesting. Bear with me. It's from Girlactik, and it's in the shade Twinkle. And long story why I bought this. So I want to say it was Ipsy, not Boxycharm. Don't quote me on that. Like a year and a half ago, maybe 2 years now, I received, and at the time in the box, you got 2 of these in a different shade. And I think I remember at the time of my unboxing, I was like, how stupid, those are dumb, blah, blah, blah. Because I hadn't really tried it. OMG, I love these. Let me swatch it. If you like to have I don't even know if it will pick up. So that is not a highlighter. That is the lip pencil here. If you like shimmer, glimmer on your lips, these are awesome. Let me see what will stick on top of the 5 other products I have so you can see firsthand what I'm talking about. I don't know if that's picking up on camera, but in real life, she's lovely. Anyways, so I had these. I was getting low on it. When I saw the price and that it was, I just, when you like something, you want a backup. All right, I have a sense I'm going to be justifying my purchases throughout this video. But hey, my money, my face, my joy in life, makeup. All right, what else did I pick up? What is this? We have from, oh my God. Any other day of the week, I'd be like, never heard of this brand. But I just did an Empties Project Pan update video, and this brand was in there. This is the Glow on Fifth Beauty. Keep it handy. And I swear to God, I'm going to put a clip if I can be that fancy in editing. So I will not be repurchasing that unless Old Lady Brain kicks in and it's on sale and I forget. That has happened to me before. I made a comment that I didn't really care for the hand cream, or it was okay. But if Old Lady Brain would purchase something that I thought was, because it was a good price, been there, done that, guess what? Did it again. Oh my God. That is hilarious, if not sad. Oh my God. So this is Keep It Handy, and I remember that name because it's super corny. Oh my goodness. All right, next item. All right, so I'm always looking for affordable makeup wipes because, yes, I have swatches that I'm constantly needing to wipe off, and I'm cheap. So when I find a good deal, I snatch it up. This is from the CREME shop. It's the Power Fusion Cleansing Pre-Wet Towelette. But this one fascinated me because it's in watermelon, yum, and it has hyaluronic acid. You get 30 towelettes. So maybe if I like it and it's you know, the scent isn't obnoxious, I may actually use them on my face from time to time. If not, they will definitely help out with the old swatches. All right, and the next item, this I received in, I don't know. You would think I'd say Boxy, but there's a lot of Ipsy products being sold in the Boxycharm Drop Shop pop-up sale. And you're like, well, what is it, Julie? This here is from Tint, and it's an eye cream. It's a tinted brightening eye serum. So it's like a hybrid of an eye serum meets concealer. It has one of those metal tips. Feels cooling. Is lovely. It was cheap. I wanted a backup. Don't judge me. Okay. And the last item is a palette because I don't own enough eyeshadow palettes. What is this? I don't even remember what I got. So it makes it like a mystery box to me. Oh, yes. Okay, now it's coming back to me. I want to say this was only $5, which helped with my purchasing decision. This here's from, I would say Ditto, but I've heard other people call it Dido. It's the Venus palette in its limited edition. Apparently it's taped. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty. It's like planets and moons and just lovely pinky, nudie, soft, golden, warm, just $5. Couldn't resist. All right, I'm going to recap everything I got. While you're watching the recap, feel free to hit that thumbs up and leave me a comment. Let me know which of these items I picked up you already own, or which one you're like, ooh, wish I'd picked that one up. That looks nice. So I got a hand cream, a tinted brightening eye cream, a 5-piece brush set with a carrying case, a lip gloss pencil, an eyeshadow palette from Dido, the On the Glow palette from OFRA, and the Mercury Retrograde palette from Huda Beauty. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are no regrets. Well, except for maybe this one. Oh my goodness. I'm going to list the MSRP total versus what I spent. I love seeing that part because I take shopping almost like an Olympic sport. How good of a product can I get that has a super high MSRP price at a really reasonably or low affordable price? I don't know. It brings me joy. It's a challenge and I enjoy shopping and I love makeup. So it's a win-win. All right. I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Again, remember to click that thumbs up. It really, really does help with my channel to grow. And remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. Okay, I hope each and every one of you who made a purchase did a really good job at shopping. Leave me a comment and let me know what you picked up. All right, thanks everyone.